Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add the bulleting points on your Google Docs mobile phone application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to add or how to insert the bullet points on the Google Docs bulleting points. So click on the plus symbol, click open a new document. I just going to paste actually I just made some points. You can just consider it as a points or key points, whatever. So first of all, you just need to select everything. Then you will see an option above the keyboard. You will see an option here. Just click this, so which actually create a bulleting points. If you want to change the bulleting point style, just do this. Click on the A symbol on the top. Now you will see a option on the down, and here you will see a lot of options on the down side. Here you will see a arrow mark. Just change text to paragraph and just click on this arrow mark option, which actually shows the bulleting point styles. So you can just change the bulleting point style as what the thing that you want, stars, arrows, and whatever. So after creating the bulleting point style, just click this. You just need to select this and you just click on the A symbol on the top. Just change to paragraph and just select this bulleting point style by choosing this arrow mark. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable Google Docs mobile phone content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.